to the resort. We gonna show y'all where we gonna be staying at for. We think we see it. We get a little excited,
We
y'all.
think, girl,
Okay.
that is definitely it.
Okay.
It say like 0.9.
It
so
says
that's
we're about 4 minutes away, and we think we see it in the distance. Okay, let me let y'all know. We both from Arkansas. We ain't never been nowhere like this. Never stayed anywhere like this, seen anything like this. So it's just an enjoyable experience. You know, look at him. He trying to hold his composure.
Chill. I'm finna turn
But
up.
oh yeah, I had to change shirts because we was having fun at the beach. So the other one kind of got ruined a little bit. You know what I'm saying? But
Yeah, Pensacola
when
makes my skin. I'm a little dark skin, but I'm a baby oil up. I'm a baby oil up. What's up?
I'm so excited. I'm so excited.
Right, I'm ready for this light to turn green. Like, come on.
Chipotle. Yeah, I like Chipotle too. Some people
who don't.
I've actually heard some people don't like.
They got a Ferris wheel, but we definitely not get. Oh my God, that is definitely. Oh my.
Okay, but when we get ready to pull up,
Yeah,
I'm gonna show you guys.
chill
All
out.
right,
You
so
doing too
hold
much.
on one second.
Hey, I cannot do it. Ugh, why would you want to stay here and never right across the street?
Open for breakfast. They got a Barefoot right here. Dippin' Dots. They got a whole Dippin' Dots store.
God, you.
A whole Dippin' Dots store. Where is my
Beautiful.
That way I can just turn it around. I know it's okay. Here's us
Origins at Sea Haven.
right here.
Origins at Sea Haven. Yes, ma'am. This is the room.
This is
Yes, ma'am. As soon as I can get in here, it's so much traffic. Look at this. It's so bright. I'm probably just gonna pull around and then just come back because I just want to see. You know, I'm nosy.
I know. All right, so yeah, you heard what he just said that we might be doing because we still have a little time before check-in, and we want to just explore a little bit. So I'll get back to you guys with a hotel review when we get back to the video. Let's go.
Jet skis?
Huh?
Jet skis? I need some sunglasses because it's too bright.
Yeah, it is too hot.
Okay, let's go back to the car. I just wanted to see. It's too deep for it right now.
Yep.
Hey, show got the shit.
Y'all, it is hot out here. You know what I'm saying? For real. Like, he lost my other sunglasses, by the way, in Pensacola Beach. So really, he without sunglasses, because I told him not to lose them.
Every shell you step on, I'm picking up. Am I romantic? Oh, there go another one. I gotta pick that one up right there. Oh, that's a half a shell, but I'm still gonna pick it.
Yeah. What is he talking about?
I'm romantic.
He said he romantic. It's a nice little place over here.
This sand is so deep.
Yeah, this sand too deep. We got on tennis shoes.
Yeah,
We just wanted to just come see what was, popping over here.
Pop. What's pop?
But it's hot as hell. Like, I need a hat or a visor. Sunglass. Hold on, babe.
The show just about to walk out. Let's go over there. We got to try the sand about time we leave.
So, I'm going to show y'all these seashells he done picked up when we get in the car. It is hot. Hold on. Show y'all. The lighting's so much better in the car. I want to see them seashells.
They're right there.
We want to see them seashells, y'all.
I sweat, nigga.
I told him because it's hot. And that's why your girl don't wear makeup like that, you know what I'm saying? Lash and lip gloss. Good to go, because it's too hot. Anybody got time to be trying to be cute and melt at the same time?
No, sir.
Okay. Be cute, do your makeup at the crib, take your pictures, and then take it off.
Yes, sir.
Go enjoy yourself. Anybody got time
Yes,
to be
sir.
patting their face, reapplying and all that? If you got your natural glow going on, that's why I told y'all in my last videos, use that Eucerin. That Eucerin get your glow going, you know what I'm saying? No makeup, team, no makeup. But your girl do like to look good sometimes, so when y'all see me later with a picture on our anniversary dinner, don't come for me. Do not come for me. Well, I guess I'll just get back to y'all when we get back in our room, okay? And I'll give y'all a little hotel tour, little room tour.
Some Wi-Fi.
Yeah, we need some Wi-Fi because I need to upload. I had another vlog that I needed to upload. I got some nice little stuff over here. I'm loving the palm trees.
We're definitely eating. What we eating, babe?
So for our anniversary dinner, we decided
Nah, we gonna wait. Nah, we gonna wait.
Okay, y'all gonna have to wait.
And we getting frozen daiquiris. No homo, but you know we be drinking on them bitches.
It's a good ass drink. Don't tell me y'all don't like that good ass drink.
On safety first.
I thought.
Thank you.
Safety first, y'all. If my son watching this, put your seatbelt on. Really, I'll be putting your seatbelt on right now. But here go the ocean, y'all. Look.
Gorgeous, gorgeous. It almost feel like a movie. It almost feel like a movie. Like we not in Florida. Like for real.
Yeah, it does kind of feel like that. It's just so surreal right now. It's an amazing experience.
Oh, you said surreal? So who you supposed to be? I like that. Okay, surreal. Yeah, it is beautiful though. No cap.
Yeah, it's very beautiful. Toy Story down there, babe. Margaritaville. Anyways, we are on the way to the place where we are about to eat. We got all cute. You have to check out our Instagrams for pictures, and we also do updates on there as well today and tomorrow. I'm starving.
What's the name of the place again?
I'm so hungry.
Bishop's
Buffet.
Yeah, Bishop.
I just want so much seafood.
Please don't let it pass.
I'll see y'all when we get to Bishop's.
Yes, sir.
So you guys, we have a 20-minute wait before we get our table. So next door they had this like arcade area and a sports bar. So we're probably gonna get a couple drinks before we go eat. But we're waiting on somebody right now. I'm waiting on Bay to come back. Matter of fact, I think I'm just gonna end the vlog out here. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Stay tuned for tomorrow's vlog. Make sure you like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below.
Yes, sir.
Bye, guys.